Hey guys, it's Debbie from Refresh Restyle, and today I've got a quick and easy project for you. I am an independent designer for Chalk Couture, and we are going to be chalking on this cute little chalkboard that I bought at Walmart. Let me hold it like this so you can see. Anyway, this is a quick and easy home decor idea. I'm going to be using I love hugs, I love kisses, but what I really want is help with the dishes. Isn't that cute? And don't we all want help with the dishes? I'm going to be using a small squeegee, a stir stick, and our Chalkology paste. The color is Storm. The first thing I'm going to do is add a little fuzz to the back of my transfer. And what this does is it makes it easier to remove. Our silkscreen transfers are reusable from 8 to 12 times and sometimes even more. When you add a little bit of fuzz, it just makes it easier to remove. And I think this will be cute in the kitchen, don't you? This is going to be so quick and easy. I just hope I get some help with the dishes. Okay, I am going to give my Chalkology paste a stir. And you always want your paste to be a yogurt-like consistency, and ours is. So I'm just going to add it to the silkscreen area. And then I'm going to grab my squeegee. I'm just going to plop it around in a couple of areas. Grab my squeegee, and then I'm going to just squeegee all over the silkscreen areas, making sure that I get it spread out evenly and get all those areas covered. Chalk paste dries to a hard consistency. It is removable with water. If you spray it, like spritz it with a water bottle, you can wipe it off. But otherwise, you can rub your hand across it and it does not smear, which is awesome. Okay, and then you grab your transfer and just remove it from top to bottom. And there we go. There's our project. I got a little bit of Chalkology paste on my finger. That's okay because it's water soluble. And now our project is complete. If you'd like more information about our products, just comment below. If you'd like to become a designer like me, you can comment with the words join and I'll send you that information. You can join our VIP Facebook group. Just write VIP and I'll send you a link. We also have a monthly club subscription, and if you'd like info on that, just type the word club. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see y'all later.